Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting an API key and locking it down. This prevents quota abuse. Once done, create a Spring Boot app with web support and add a HTTP client dependency, web client or OK HTTP for async calls. Make sure to store the key in application. IML or environment variables, not in source. You should also configure request timeouts and a base URL property. Doing this early simplifies testing and keeps secrets safe while you prototype. You now implement the integration. Build a Google Maps service that composes URLs for geocoding, places, or directions, and call them via web client. Map the JSON responses to type DTOs with Jackson so your controllers stay clean, and wrap calls in a repository-style service for reuse. Once done, add retry and exponential backoff for transient failures, and centralize error parsing to translate Google errors into meaningful exceptions. This structure makes testing and maintenance far easier. Finish by removing any hard-coded keys. Use environment variables, secret managers, or Kubernetes secrets and rotate keys periodically. This reduces exposure. Then add caching for common queries to save quota and implement unit and integration tests with mocked Google responses. Once deployed, monitor quota and latency, and set alerts. If you encounter unexpected 403 or quota errors, check key restrictions first, make sure referrers/IPs match, and verify billing is enabled. This single troubleshooting tip solves most access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.